In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new branch on GitHub. Start by opening GitHub in your browser and navigating to the place where your repository lives, whether that's your personal profile or your organization's page. If you're not already on the right screen, use the home link to return to your dashboard, then select the repository you want to work on. Once you're on the repository's main page, look near the top for the branches link. It may appear as a small label like One Branch. Click it to open the branches view. On the branches page, choose New Branch. You'll be asked to name your branch. Enter a clear, descriptive name that reflects the work you plan to do, such as Feature Login, Bug Fix Header, or Docs Typo. Consistent naming helps your team understand the purpose at a glance. As a tip, stick to lowercase letters and hyphens, and avoid spaces or special characters. If your team links work to tickets, you can include an issue ID at the start, like 1034 Fix Header. Next, select the source for your new branch. In most projects, you'll want to branch from main, so you start with the latest stable code. Use the source or base branch dropdown to choose main. If you see a Switch Branches control, use it to make sure main is set before you proceed. Picking the correct base here prevents extra merge work later. If your team uses a different base like develop, select that instead, but the process is the same. When the branch name looks good and the source is set correctly, click Create New Branch. GitHub will create it immediately and typically shows a brief confirmation message. To verify everything, stay on the Branches page and open the Your Branches section. Then switch to Active Branches. Your newly created branch should appear near the top. Click the branch name to view it. You'll be taken to the repository view scoped to that branch, and the branch selector near the top left should display your new branch name. From here, you can start committing changes, push updates from your local machine, and when ready, open a pull request to merge your work back into main. And that's the full flow. Navigate to your repository, open the branches view, create a new branch from main, and confirm it under Your Branches and Active Branches. Use this same approach each time you begin a new piece of work to keep changes isolated, reviews focused,